Hi everyone, my name's Sean Dugan. I'm one of the members of the maths team at City College Plymouth and also work with the Maths Centre of Excellence. Obviously we're missing Ben now. Ben's off in Brunei sunning himself. Well, I've had up in isolation. I hope he's having a good time. I've got some maths magic to go with you today anyway. See how you get on with these different tricks. I'm going to give you one today and see if you can get your head around how it works. So the first thing I'm going to ask you to do is think of any number you like. Any number. Now once you've done that, I'd like you to add 6 to it. Now once you've added 6 to that number, I want you to multiply it by 2. So I write down what we're doing here. You've got a number, we're going to add 6 to it, then you're going to multiply it by 2. After you've done that, you're going to double it, so you're going to multiply it by 2 again. Okay? Hopefully you're okay so far. Next bit, we're going to divide that number by 4. Okay, so hopefully you're keeping track of that. I hope your number wasn't too big and you're able to do all of this so far. Next thing we're going to do, we're going to take away the number you started with. So whatever number you started with here, start number, I'll write that up there. What I'd like you to do, I'd like you to take away that start number, the number you started with. Okay? Now you've done that, you're going to add 4. Now if you've done that, what I'm really hoping, I'm doing the old mind thing here, I'm hoping we've all got 10. That's what I'm hoping for. If you've got 10, that's fantastic. Now, let me explain to you why you should get 10. Okay? So I'm going to do a little bit of algebra with you now, so hopefully nobody gets too scared off by this. We've got an n. I'm going to call that start number an n to start with. I'm going to add 6 to that n. So now we've got something plus 6. Now we're going to times it by 2. If I times all of this by 2, I'm going to end up with 2n plus 12. Okay? I'm going to have to double it again. So if I double this, I'm going to end up with 4n plus 24. Okay? We'll keep going down. What I'm doing now, I'm dividing all of this algebra by 4. If I divide 4n by 4, I'll be left with n. And if I divide 24 by 4, I'll be left with 6. Now I've got to minus my start number. Well, if I minus my start number, I'm calling it something algebraically, I'm calling it n. If I take away n from n, I'm just left with the 6 on its own. Last thing I've got to do is add 4 to that 6. Well, if I add 4 to 6, I get 10. Hey presto, that's why it works. Now, that's been done for this week. I'll be doing another trick next week, but for now, that's all folks.